everyone, today we are going to draw a cute slice of pizza, like this. First, you should have a paper and colored pencils and a marker. So I'm going to start by drawing pizza crusts. I'm going to draw a curved line, and it's going to be the top of the crust, and another line is going to be the bottom of the crust. Then I'm gonna connect these two lines by drawing a C shape, little C shape here and another over here. Then I'm going to draw another part of our pizza. It's gonna be a big curved line who comes down and another line over here, and one more here. And then I'm gonna connect these lines by drawing a little line. Then I'm gonna draw a cheese for our pizza. First, you can draw wavy lines like this. Then you can draw another line to this point. And now it's time to add a face for our pizza. I'm just going to draw a circle here and another circle here. It's going to be his eyes, and then I'm gonna draw another smaller circle here, and I'm gonna draw even smaller circle down here. And now it's time to color in the big circle. And leave these two little circles white. And now I'm gonna add a big smile from here all the way over here. And now I'm going to add pepperoni if you want, but I like it. I like pepperoni on pizza. like this. Now it's time to color our pizza. And use orange color for the cheese. Now our pizza is done. You can match the color I did, or you can use any colors that you like it. No matter if you do any mistake. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye.